This is very common, and we are going to learn how to mend these split seams.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, good morning, and welcome back to another video from GreenecoStyle. My name is Raylene, and I'm here to help you shop sustainably and maintain the clothes that you still love. So today we are going to be mending the inseam of your jeans that have started to split. Okay, so what you need in this video is your jeans that need mending, some scissors, a ruler, a pencil and or some tailor's chalk. Doesn't matter, you can use either or. Some denim scrap fabric, a thread that matches your jeans because it will be showing pins. And you're gonna need a sewing machine. So I have a very beautiful industrial sewing machine right here. And I also have a domestic sewing machine. I have a brother right here. Okay, so first things first is you're gonna wanna cut your scrap piece of fabric. And by doing so, you're gonna get your jeans so that you can measure how far and how wide you need to cut your scrap fabric. So measure on both sides, because both sides are gonna be different, from the crotch out. So where the last hole is, I just measured about an inch, so that's just up to the crotch. All the way to an inch past the last hole down here, which is about, let's just say 7 inches. That's an inch and a half, but that'll be good. So in lengthwise, 7 inches, and then in width, I'd like to do, let's say 2 inches, just to make sure that even that worn out fabric that was probably going to start to rip eventually, we're covered for that by making it 2 inches wide. So then you're going to want to get your scrap fabric and measure those lengths. And get your tailor's chalk and or pencil. Okay, so before we start sewing, you're gonna wanna flip one of your legs inside out that you're going to start on first. And then you wanna put your scrap fabric behind it. I'll put the more whitewashed side behind it, going right up to your seam of the crotch there. And then you pin it in place. Make sure that there's no folds on the other side of your jeans and everything is flat underneath. So you're just feeling around with your hand. My hand is inside the leg, feeling around so that I know where I am. And then I'm only pinning through one layer of fabric. Okay, so starting from the crotch, just want to backstitch that. And you're just gonna go forward and back, making like zigzags all the way down the seam where all your holes are. And make sure to remove the pins while you're going back and forth. If you have a domestic sewing machine or the function on your industrial where you can zigzag, that's also helpful, and you can do that instead of going back and forth. It kind of saves time, but doing it this way, you're making sure that you're sewing down that scrap fabric underneath all the way down, making sure that there's no flyaways, no flappies. And yeah, here we go. We are on our way.
Got to find a way if you wanna go. Got to find a way if you want to go. There ain't nobody gonna do it for you. Got to find your own. Got to hit your heart if you want to love. Got to hit your heart if you want to love.
Okay, now that you're at the end, you're just gonna do a quick back stitch. And now you're going to pull your pants out from under the presser foot. Clip your threads, close. All the loose threads. And it should look something a little like this. Right there, that's the underneath. And then the inside will look like so. And then you're gonna wanna do that exact same thing to the other side now. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. And now, as you can see, these are the finished pair of pants. Yes, I love it. And if you could please, see, this is the, yes, very good. I don't see any skin happening. No, this is good. How does it feel?
Like brand new.
Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope everybody has enjoyed. Have a gravy day and stay hydrated.